class is a way of being able to learn and teach things in a very easy way. But when you come out of the course, you learn a lot of skills that you can have for a lifetime. Like even simple things like how to use tools, how to do electrical, easy things like that could save you a lot of time and a lot of work.
I just wanted to change. I was tired of the revolving door and bouncing around from place to place. I wanted structure and consistency, so I wanted to pick up a trade, learn a skill. So I enrolled myself in a Manatee Technical College, and then making different things, with the programming, taking my creativity and bringing it to life.
Best thing that I've learned in this program is the robots, specifically the UI robots. If that's something you're really interested in, this is definitely the proper course for you. Watching them work and watching them run and being able to program them and show your work and show the progress that they make, that's my calling in life. That's for sure my thing.